Today, we completed a comprehensive program of complex coronary interventions at Durdans Hospital, Colombo, the telecast of which was sent by live video through all the members of Sri Lanka College of Cardiology. The objective of this workshop was to promote and familiarize with the latest cutting-edge technology of complex coronary interventions. Now, these cases are not simple cases. They are all previously tried, failed, difficult coronary interventions. Some of them include 100% blockages for many, many years. Some of them with recent heart attacks and complex interventions. Some of them may not been blocked off. Some of them including previously surgically operated patients, and some of them multivessel coronary artery disease, including left main occlusions. So all in all, these procedures were of a very difficult nature, and we were fortunate to have the support of Professor Mohaned Egred, who joined us from Newcastle, UK, for this workshop.
Thank you very much for having me today here. It's been a fantastic experience. The staff and the doctors are really good. So thank you for all of them, and also for the patients. I think it's been a very, very good, productive day, interacting with my colleagues from here, learning from each other, and doing some really complex cases that required a lot of effort and a lot of technique that we usually use in these complex cases. I'm glad that everything has gone very well, and I'm really pleased that I have been here. And I look forward to coming back, hopefully in the near future, and join you again in further workshops and treating all these patients, see all the colleagues. So thank you again to everyone in the hospital, to the doctors, to the nurses, all the technicians, and to you guys for doing this. And hopefully we'll see you soon. Thank you.
We ourselves also performed additional 4 cases after the initial cases, a total of 8 cases within the space of 16 hours we have completed successfully with no major complications. This is a landmark achievement because some of these techniques are very difficult even in the best units in the world. I'm glad to say that 4 of our partner consultants also joined the program live, and their cases were also telecasted by live transmission through Sri Lanka College of Cardiology. So all in all, this is for the advancement of interventional cardiology in Sri Lanka, and we hope that you enjoyed successful outcomes of these complex cases, and particularly the trainees who are training for the future consultants of this country will immensely benefit from viewing this program in more detail. Thank you.